Example sum 6.30. A man is watching a boat speeding away from the top of a tower. The boat makes an angle of depression 60 degree with the man eye when at a distance of 200 meter from the tower. See, let me take that this is the tower. This is AB. This is the horizontal line. Angle of depression means below the horizontal line, right? So the angle of depression is, first one is 60 degree. See, this is 60 degree. The boat is here. The angle is 60 degree. With the man eye when at the distance of 200 meter from the tower. From the tower, the distance is 200 meter. This is the boat one, right? Boat. After 10 seconds, the angle of depression become 45 degree. So after 10 seconds, the boat will be moves like this in the position of D after 10 seconds, right? Then the angle of depression will be raised to here. This angle is 45 degree, right? What is the approximate speed of the boat in kilometer per hour? We want to show in a kilometer per hour. The time is given here 10 seconds. Assume that it is in a sailing in still water. Here let me take the transversal condition. This angle is 45 means this also angle is 45 degree. By this angle is 60 degree means then this angle is also 60 degree. See, here we want to find out the speed of the boat. After 10 seconds, the time t is given as 10 seconds. We know that distance equal to speed into time, then speed is equal to distance divided by time is the formula. Let me take this. For solution, let AB be the tower or lighthouse, right? And then B, C and D the position of the C and D be the position of boat. So the angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. ACB is equal to 60 degree. Angle ADB is equal to 45 degree. First I choose the triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, I draw here roughly the diagram. This is ABC, this is 60 degree, and then another triangle is ACD, that is 45 degree. So this is 200 meter. So angle is inclined here, so this is opposite side, this is adjacent. The ratio of opposite side and adjacent side is tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent. Here theta is 60 degree, so tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side is AB and then adjacent side is 200. Then tan 60 value we know that is root 3 is equal to AB divided by 200. Now we want to find out AB only. So AB is equal to 200 into root 3. I take that equation number 1. Next in triangle ADB, the biggest triangle, that is ADB. This is AB and then D is 45 degree. See, let me take the distance of CD is X. After 10 seconds only the given. The distance CD is X. So 200 plus X. Here we have BD is equal to 200 plus X. In triangle we have tan theta is equal to the opposite side divided by adjacent side. Here tan 45 is equal to the opposite side is AB divided by the adjacent side is BD is nothing but 200 plus X, right? Tan 45 is equal to 1. Then AB we have find out that is 200 root 3 from equation number 1 divided by 200 plus X. Now I take this 200 to this side. 200 plus x is equal to 200 root 3. I take that x itself here. The remaining terms 200 root 3 minus 200. I take this 200 to another side, root 3. So here we take 200 commonly outside, root 3 minus 1. We know the root 3 value is clearly 1.732 minus 1. So 200 into, subtract this 0.732. When we multiple, we get 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Here we have 2 zeros, right? So decimal places 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 decimal places. So 146.4 is the distance between the two ships. The distance of position of the ships after 10 seconds. Here we want to find the speed of boat. Speed of boat is equal to distance divided by time. The distance is 146.4 divided by the time t is given as 10 seconds. So if we divide this, we get 14.64 meter per second. But in question they are asking kilometer per hour. We want to convert into a kilometer per hour. Therefore kilometer per hour means 14.64 into, the meter is converted into kilometer, means we have to divide by 1000, and then second is converted into hours, means that is 60 into 60. So the second is converted into 60 into 60. So we get 3600 divided by 1000, and then multiple this two term, we get kilometer in hour. This is in kilometer per hour. So when we multiple this, we get, here we divide the 2020, 36 into 14.64 is nothing but 527.04 kilometers per hour. Here we have denominator 10. Then divide by 10, we get one decimal places, move to left hand side, 52.704 kilometer per hour is the speed of the boat. Speed of the boat is 52.704 kilometer per hour. Thank you, students.